There's lots of herbs and plants to forage in, hedgerows all throughout the winter. Like if you were really hungry, you could eat some polypody rhizomes, but they are pretty grim. But stinging nettles, if they're in a shelter spot that's escaped frost, you can still have some stinging nettle leaves. And there's loads of them still. And of course to eat them, you just fold in the little outside leaves, they can't sting you, and then just eat them. And there's also tons of this nice crunchy pennywort here with these leaves like old pennies. They're like sort of succulent and crunchy. And there's hedge bed straw, which is always there all through the year. You can have that. And it's quite nice, really nice little salad vegetable. What else have we got here? There's loads of wood avens down the bottom here, and they're sort of like useful medicine. The roots smell of cloves, so you could cook with them and things. They're kind of useful. Stitchwort's all right, a little bit of the leaves, quite good for like cuts and stitches. And loads of things all the way down through the hedge. Loads of wild strawberry leaves. The younger ones are quite nice to eat when they're sort of a light green colour like that. They're very useful. And then Herb Robert. They just sort of have these little overwintering plants like this, and they won't mind the odd leaf, but the leaves don't taste as nice as the flowers do, but they are very good for cuts and things like that. And these new little crowns of primrose leaves coming up here. See, there's last year's leaves, and they're all a bit sort of just hanging and going a bit yellow, but they're usually still there. And then here's next spring's leaves here. So somewhere down here, not any sign of any yet, but really do see the odd primroses here and there. Sometimes they flower early, but generally it's kind of a spring thing. And you can eat the leaves, they're not as nice as the flowers though. The flowers make really nice tea, and they'll start coming up soon, and that'll be really good.